Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is how to make snail with origami technique. Dear students, this technique came from Japan. Ori means folding and gami means paper. Today we will make snail with modern origami in which we can use paper folding and cutting pasting also. Material: pencil, scissors, marker, colored papers, colors and glue. Process: we draw a circle of same size on each colored sheet like this. Now we will cut the circles. Now fold one of the circle from the center like this. Now we will make a spiral on another circle. Now we will shade the spiral. Draw two circles for eyes. Shade eyeballs. Now cut it. Now cut through long strips. These are the elements of our snail. Apply the glue on the strips, little bit glue, and paste the eyes on it. Now apply the glue the half of the circle and paste it on the folding sheet. Now apply the little bit glue on the bottom of the strip. Arrange eyes like this and paste the body like this. Make a happy face of the snail. Dear students, use the available material home for this task.